Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix add yours template not working. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the home section, search, reels, and lastly, right here you're going to find your profile section. So basically, guys, right now, if you can't basically use the add yours templates on your stories on Instagram, first of all, check your internet connection. Because if you have a slow internet connection, it might be the problem. So make sure you are connected to a good internet connection. And if you still have this problem, then go ahead and quit Instagram. And then go ahead and click on Play Store or App Store on your phone. And then here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the section. Click on the search section and go to the search bar. Once you're here, go ahead and search for Instagram. And then click on Instagram right here. And then as you can see, guys, right here, you're going to find two options, uninstall, and right next to it, either you're going to find update or open. So if you find the option to open Instagram, this means that you're already up to date. And if you find the update button available, this means that you don't have the latest version of Instagram and you should update your application. So go ahead and update Instagram and wait for the update to finish. Once the update is finished, go ahead and click on open and this will take you back to Instagram. And after that, your problem with the add yours template should be fixed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.